This is a video tutorial from websitesfreeway.co.uk. Today we're going to show you how to create a flowchart in Microsoft Excel. Okay, we're just starting with a flowchart I created earlier in Microsoft Excel. You can see in the background it has these grid lines, but first thing I want to do is to tell you not to worry about those because they can be turned off or deselected, because you don't want them if you're printing them out. So just to demonstrate that, we're going to preview, and you can see I've already turned the grid lines off here. They're not showing, but we change that setting under the setup menu, and make sure you're in the sheet menu, and you can see here under print grid lines is not selected. If we were to tick it and press OK, you see the grid lines would come back, but we don't want those, so we'll go back and turn them off. Okay, we'll close the preview for now and go back to the instructions. You can see the flowchart is made up of these different shapes which represent different processes in your chart, and they're connected with lines and arrows. Okay, so to make one of these shapes, we're going to the Auto Shapes menu, which is part of the Draw menu. Auto Shapes, if you click it, select Flowchart, it displays all these different shapes you can use. We'll just select the first one, which is an oblong. Basically, place your cursor where you like to place the shape, left click, drag, and let go. That can be reshaped to suit your requirements afterwards. You can also type in any text, and of course the text can be formatted in terms of alignment, font size, font type, alignment, etc. Okay, I'll just go and add another shape. Auto Shapes, Flowchart. I'll choose this one with rounded corners, left click, drag, and let go. I'll just move that down a little bit. Okay, so that's your second one. Now these can be edited. You can see these ones are different colours. That's quite simple to do. Just place your cursor over the item, right click, Format Auto Shape, Colour, oh sorry, I've just done the text, let's try again, right click, Format Auto Shape, here we go, Colours and Lines. Now you can either format just the outline of the box or the actual fill colour, or you could even make the outside line a different colour to the fill colour. So we'll just change the main fill colour here, we'll have a green one, and click OK. So that's changed the colour. Okay, now we want to look at these connectors, connecting lines and arrows. So to add one, we go down to the Auto Shapes menu and click Connectors. You can see some of them are just plain lines and some of them have arrows. So we'll choose this one with an arrow. Basically, place your cursor, left click, drag and let go. And there you have a basic arrow. They can be moved, of course. Another way to do that, you just click this draw arrow here, click, drag. You can see if you don't place it quite straight, you get a crooked line, so make sure it's straight, let go. I find this one a little bit more user friendly in terms of being able to adjust where it's pointing to. Okay, another way to add an arrow is in Auto Shapes, Block Arrows. Choose one of the arrows. We'll just go for this one, which is a down arrow. Click, drag. There you have an arrow. You can make it a bit wider if you wish, and change the colour if you wish. Format auto shape. Again, you can choose to make the outline one colour, the fill line a different colour. So say for example you want the outline to be blue with we can increase the thickness of the line by changing the weight here. It's currently 0.75. We'll increase that to 3.75 and we'll change the fill colour to yellow. Click OK, and there you see the changed arrow. Same thing if you wanted to change these. Right click, format auto shape. These are just lines, so change the colour of the line, pink. If you want to change the weight to whatever you want, that's 2.25. Click OK. This connector is kind of around the corner one. I'll just show you that. Auto shapes, connectors, and that's one of these, which is showing you bending around the corner. Click that. Start here, click, and there. I don't know why it's left that dotted line behind. Let me just do that again. Auto shapes, connectors. Let's go from here to here. Okay, I think that dotted line will disappear hopefully. And that's the round the corner connector, which can be edited as before. Okay, we'll just check that in the preview. And here you have, these are the changes we just made recently. Now you can add a header or footer. This one's already got a header there and a footer down there. To show you how we did that, that was in setup, header footer menu, and if you want to change that you click custom header. You can see we've got flowchart here. Now you can always add something in there. Flowchart. Okay, and same with the footer. You just click on custom footer. You change the text there. You could also enter additional text in the left or center section. If you're happy with that, click OK. OK again, and then that's all your header information at the top and footer information at the bottom. Okay. That's it folks. I hope you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you'd like to see other instructions or lots of other free stuff, please go visit www.websitesfreeway.co.uk.